Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today I'm going to show you how to stop your emails from getting marked as spam when using Brevo. Now, if your subscribers are not seeing your messages or your open rates keep dropping, there's a good chance that your emails are landing in spam folders. So let's walk through the key things inside of Brevo that help improve your inbox placement. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link that we put down below. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which teaches you everything that you need to master the platform step by step. Now, let's get started. One of the first things that you need to look at is the overall health of your email sending. Brevo gives you insights into how your audience interacts with your messages. If your engagement is low or if too many people ignore your emails, this sends a negative signal to mailbox providers like Gmail or Outlook. So make sure that you regularly review your performance and watch your open rates, click rates, and bounce rates. These numbers help you understand how your reputation is doing. Another major factor in avoiding spam is the quality of your contact list. If you are sending emails to people who never open them or to contacts who are no longer interested, your deliverability will slowly get worse. It is always better to keep your list clean. Remove contacts who have not engaged for a long time. Avoid adding people who did not agree to receive your emails, and make sure you are only sending messages to people who truly want to hear from you. A cleaner list always leads to better inbox placement. Next, let's talk about how consistent sending helps your reputation. When you send emails too frequently, or if you send a large number of messages all at once, it can look suspicious to mailbox providers. Brevo helps you maintain a stable sending pattern by sending out deliveries and giving you tools to avoid sudden spikes. Sending at a steady pace builds trust and improves deliverability over time. Now, let's look at another important area: the content of your emails. If your subject lines feel too promotional or your message looks like a typical spam email, mailbox filters may block or downgrade your message automatically. Keep your subject lines simple and clear. Write in conversational tone. Avoid too many images or too many links in one message. Use a real sender name and make sure the unsubscribe link is easy to find. These small details make your emails feel more trustworthy. Another thing that helps a lot is improving engagement through personalization. When your emails feel relevant to the reader, they're more likely to open them. Higher engagement tells mailbox providers that your content is wanted, and this helps keep your emails in the inbox instead of the spam folder. Finally, keep an eye on how many people interact with your messages. If your engagement drops, adjust your content, test different ideas, or update your segments. Small improvements add up and help strengthen your email reputation. If you want to get started with Brevo, make sure to use the link below. You'll get 50% off of the starter and business plans for the first 90 days, and it will unlock a full Brevo course that teaches you everything you need to know to use the platform. If you found this helpful, please feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next video.